Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I've got a brand new project share for you guys. This I'm calling my vintage Rolodex. I went a little old school on you guys here. Listen, it is so absolutely adorable. This is featuring the Le Cafe collection. If you have my Le Cafe CMC, this is in your project folder. I have to tell you, really important, there's two different styles, okay? There are SVG files for this. There are your SVG file for your cards. There is a version for hand cutting, manual cutting. I made this one cutting by hand. So I walk you through the process, cutting this absolutely adorable project by hand. All right. There is also the one by hand. There's an option for stationary knobs. And then for the SVG people, there's this option, obviously, and then the one that spins. And I'll show you that one in a different version. All right. But I just wanted to show you this one because it is just as absolutely lovely. Look at that. The reason why the one that does this option, hand cutting, is because this one is made with squares. All right, because it's easier to cut a square by hand than it is to cut a circle. All right, the one that spins is made with circles, so it's nice to have a machine do that for you. But you don't need it to spin, guys, because you can move these along the mechanism like so. All right, look at this Le Cafe collection, how gorgeous. I haven't matted all of these cards in here, so you can easily do this with your cards, as opposed to helping, even though we do this on a Rolodex anyway, but it helps the spinning part when you get really far down, right? So I probably left this one a little too long there. But look at, guys, how cute. Your purchase options are in the description box below. All right, so you can pick up the tutorial only. You can pick up the Le Cafe CMC if you want all of the projects. There's 4 projects in the Le Cafe CMC, which feature 4 projects using this particular paper collection, and you get the digital paper collection also if you get a CMC. All right, so the CMCs are project and paper collection combined, but again, you may want to use a different paper, so you could just get the project only. So vintage Rolodex, I went vintage Tim Holtz and used his, I think he called these foundations. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. But if you don't have a set of these in your arsenal, I don't know. I think we all have at least one last set of these, and you may want to use it on this project because it is gorgeous. Look at the sexy rounded back on this. It's just really, really fantastic. The knobs, everything we make by hand. Everything is chipboard. Everything we make by hand. These, you can use them if you wanted to do like your very own happy planner. You can use these for so many things. This mechanism right here, it is fantastic. Remember, I'm going to come back with another video sharing the one that spins to show you the whole spinning action here. I will tell you though, the reason why I'm not so much a fan of that one is because you can't do all of the hanging over in the spinning one, right? Because you need it to spin. So I like this one because you can do all sorts of hanging over things because you I made paper clips. That's why they're not completely attached. It's because you move this one by hand, right? So I'm just letting you guys know that spinning may not be the way you want to go on this one, all right? So I've got some inks back there because I did not fill it completely with cards, so it's kind of propping them up. You can fit probably like 500 cards in here. That's how, if you want to do it 360 degrees. But look at how adorable, guys. Look at this. How absolutely adorable. Let me know what you think about this project. I'm curious to know what your thoughts are on the vintage Rolodex. And I just want to give a quick shout out to SandieGeek here on YouTube. She does all of my SVG files, and she did such an excellent job on this. And she gets instruction from me, hand drawings from me, and she did the SVG files for this project And one more quick shout out, and I don't remember her name. She's a fellow crafter on our Facebook page. You guys probably saw the post a while back. She said, Kat, can you do a vintage Rolodex? And here it is. I know it's been months, but here it is for the Le Cafe CMC. And I hope you love it. I hope I did it justice. And let me just look at this paper. Look at this paper. Le Cafe, guys. It's gorgeous. I have quite a few more projects coming up with this paper collection. So stay tuned. And again, I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Please leave me a comment. If you love what you see on this channel, please like and subscribe and do all that good stuff that helps my channel. I'm working on my channel this year, 2024. Hopefully I can grow my channel. So thank you so much for your time and for loving the projects. Check out the description box, my friends. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time, a vintage Rolodex, guys. Look at it. It's so fun.